So I plan on threading this front oil passages, and the first thing you want to do is try to figure out how deep you can go with the plug. There's an oil passage right here that goes from your cam, and first, just to make sure that we don't go too deep and cover that, I am going to take this Allen key and put it in here. It looks like it has a slight angle, and I'm going to take my calipers at the lowest part because that's the closest. It's probably the best course of action. Okay, so it looks like 0.4095. So this is the old plug that I pulled from the back, and it's 3.68, so let's call it 0.37. So this one will be fine. However, the new ones that I got in the set to replace are 0.41. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is take the old one and use it. Maybe I'll just use all the old ones here. This is all covered up, so even if there's any kind of oil seepage, then it's not that big of a deal. So I plan on washing this motor again, but I'm going to put a napkin in here just to make sure. I have put one of my brushes, the cleaning brushes, in here. It's right here, just so I limit the amount of chips I go in. So I'm going to pull it back a little bit just to give the tap enough room. Now you want to be extra careful, and what you want to do is double check that you didn't do anything to the hole. You flip it upside down. Now the hole has a slight taper, so you can put something that sits in the hole and then tighten the screw, and if there is any kind of contact, any kind of deflection, you will definitely see it, and I'm not seeing anything. So the hole is not covered up or anything, so I think we're good to go. All I got to do now is wash the whole thing again and paint it, get ready for assembly.